Hi there, I'm Adam Helfman with HireItDone.com. I'm a home improvement expert, and assuming you own a home, I might be one of your next best friends. Welcome to our heating and cooling special. We are on location today at Lennox Industries in Troy, Michigan. I want to say a special thanks to Lennox and their team for sharing with us important information on how you can save money this heating season. I have a question for you. When you turn your furnace on, do you hear loud noises? Does it make ticking sounds? Or perhaps you're a victim of excessive dust floating around your home. Do your children have allergy symptoms when it's not allergy season? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then stay with me for the next 10 minutes as HireItDone.com solves your heating problems. Remember, nobody wants to get burned by a contractor. At HireItDone.com, we pre-screen the contractors for you. You might ask what that means. Well, we check and verify they are licensed and insured. We have checked their references. I have personally visited each and every HireItDone contractor on the job to ensure the highest quality of workmanship and professionalism available for you, the homeowner. I have a few special heating and cooling experts on our show today who are going to offer you tips that should save you time, money, and headaches while heating your home. Our first guest today on HireItDone is pre-screened contractor Michael Levy of Airmaster Heating and Air Conditioning in Berkeley, Michigan. Hi, Michael. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Adam. It's a pleasure to be here.
Michael, the number one question I get is, what's the best furnace for my home? And as I always say, the best furnace is the one that's installed properly. You install Lennox brand furnaces.
That is correct.
Why Lennox?
I think Lennox is the most innovative company in the industry today. Their products are very, very high quality. They stand behind their products. Their warranties are better than anybody else. And we have very few problems with Lennox products.
Michael, according to the EPA, the air quality in a home is 5 times dirtier than the outside air. How can a new furnace help reduce indoor air quality issues?
Well, the new furnaces today, with the technology, we use variable speed furnaces quite frequently. And they move the air in the home slowly and quickly, depending on the need and the function of the furnace. If you match that with a Pure Air, which is made by Lennox, an indoor air quality product, or a MERV 16 or a MERV 10 filter, it will capture all the pollutants in the air and not produce them back into your home.
What kind of furnace filter do you recommend for homeowners?
I recommend the MERV 16. I find it the most efficient filter in the market today, and in fact, that's exactly what I have in my own home.
How important is it to get your furnace tuned up?
Very, very important. We can reduce energy bills by as much as 30% with a properly tuned up furnace. We also have a lot less breakdowns, and we have a much happier customer. When on a cold day like today, their furnace is running very nicely, and they don't have to have an emergency service call.
What's a tune-up usually cost?
A properly tuned up furnace is roughly about $100, give or take a few bucks. You want to make sure that the technician's there for an hour, and they're just not tuning up the furnace. They're checking your filter, they're checking the functions, the safeties, carbon dioxide levels, the efficiency of the furnace. We also want to make sure they check and secure the humidifier and make sure that you're getting proper humidity in your house.
Michael, how often do you recommend a tune-up?
I recommend a tune-up every year. The furnace in the fall and the air conditioner in the spring.
This is fantastic information, Michael. I want to thank you for coming on the show today.
Thank you, Adam. It's really been a pleasure.
For more information from Michael Levy of Airmaster Heating and Air Conditioning on keeping your house warm, make sure you go to HireItDone.com. Stay tuned, folks. When we return, we're going to talk about the benefits of a high-efficiency furnace. Welcome back to HireItDone's Heating Special. There's a lot of confusion out there about high-efficiency furnaces, variable speed, two-stage, modulating. Which one is right for your home? To make sense of it all, we have Jason Crane of Pritchard Incorporated out of Livonia, Michigan. He's another pre-screen contractor from HireItDone.com. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
Jason, what is considered a high-efficiency furnace?
That's a great question, Adam. A lot of homeowners are told that 80% furnaces and above are high efficiency. Truly, 90% and above is what's considered high efficiency. Here at Pritchard, we install 95% and above as our high efficiency products. As a matter of fact, Lennox makes a 98% efficient product, which we use quite a bit. And with that, for every dollar that you spend to heat your house, 98% of it is actually used to heat your home.
Lennox has many models to meet your customers' needs. How do you help a homeowner decide which Lennox furnace is best for them?
Well, Adam, you're right. There are a lot of models to look at when you're considering your Lennox products. Lennox makes such a wide variety of high-end products that help heat your house, that it's important to look at that particular house and understand exactly what the needs are. First, we look at the furnace in the house that's there, make sure it's working safely, or if there's any issues with it efficiency-wise. And from there, we'll help assess the situation with the homeowner and look at whether it's a modulating furnace that Lennox makes, a two-stage furnace that Lennox makes, or any situation that may need to be required.
How does a homeowner know if they need a new furnace?
Well, if a furnace is 10 years or older, we start to talk about our customers about furnace replacement. At 10 years is when we start to see maintenance problems, repair bills come up, and higher utility bills start to rise from those products.
How long does it take to install a typical high-efficiency furnace?
Less than a day.
What kind of savings can a homeowner expect when installing a new Lennox furnace?
That's a great question because there's a lot of numbers that are flying out there with what people are able to save on their furnaces. Typically speaking, our customers will save between 30 and 50% on their utility bills, and that is from their electrical savings as well as their natural gas savings.
Jason, thanks for informing us on the benefits of a high-efficiency furnace today.
My pleasure, Adam. Thank you.
If you want a high-efficiency furnace installed in your home, go to HireItDone.com today and let Pritchard Incorporated be one of the contractors to compete for your business. Welcome back to the Hire It Done Heating and Cooling Special. As you can see, there's a lot of components that go into properly heating your home. One of the most overlooked components of your heating system is proper humidification and the correct settings of your thermostat. Joining me to teach us how to do this is another trusted HireItDone.com contractor, Jim Corian of CNC Heating and Cooling out of Roseville, Michigan. Welcome to the show, Jim.
Thanks, Adam.
Jim, homeowners get confused about the correct humidity levels in their homes. Let's make sense of this.
Okay, Adam. Lennox makes a great product called the Healthy Climate Whole Home Humidifier.
What's it going to feel like when you have a proper humidifier in your home?
Well, Adam, it's going to make you feel much more comfortable. It will help reduce dry skin, chapped lips, and static shocks. It creates a healthy home environment by properly providing moisture levels which will lower the risk of respiratory infections. Proper moisture levels will help prevent damage to the wood in floors, trim, artwork, and musical instruments.
What about the energy savings?
When you add humidity to heated dry air, you will feel warmer, so you can lower the thermostat and be comfortable while saving money.
Jim, how important is it to properly program your thermostat?
For energy saving, it's a great component. For every degree you set back your thermostat, you save 3% on your energy bill. There is a full, complete line of thermostats for homeowners to choose from, such as the Lennox iComfort Touch and many others.
Can these Lennox models be installed to operate your existing heating and cooling system?
Absolutely. We will work to provide the best possible heating and cooling package for your home.
So from what I understand, Jim, proper humidification and programming of your thermostat is just as important as the furnace itself.
That's right, Adam.
Thanks for sharing your valuable information with our viewers today.
Glad to help.
If you want your thermostat programmed properly or are unsure of the right humidity levels for your home, visit HireItDone.com and let a company like CNC Heating and Cooling help you today. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope I've been able to solve your heating needs in your home. I want to thank Michael Levy of Airmaster Heating and Air Conditioning in Berkeley, Michigan. Jason Crane from Pritchard Incorporated in Livonia. And Jim Corian of CNC Heating and Cooling in Roseville. And a special thanks to Lennox Industries for sponsoring our show today. Remember, if you want a furnace that heats your home properly, or if you're thinking of any remodeling project, why not hire a professional to do the job right? Go to HireItDone.com and let my pre-screen contractors compete for your business.